Billions of years ago, the Earth was born. Life began in the oceans, tiny and mysterious. Creatures crawled, swam, and ruled the planet. Humans appeared, curious and clever. Civilizations rose along mighty rivers. Empires expanded, conquering lands and cultures. Explorers sailed into the unknown. Inventions transformed the world forever. Wars shaped nations and history. Technology connected the globe. Humans now dream of the stars. Ancient caves held the secrets of early humans. Agriculture changed the way we lived. The wheel turned, and civilization advanced. Philosophers wondered about life and the universe. Great libraries preserved knowledge. Mighty empires rose and fell. Trade routes connected distant lands. Innovations in art and science changed everything. Explorers discovered new worlds. The printing press spread ideas far and wide. Colonies expanded across continents. The Industrial Revolution powered a new era. Machines changed the lives of millions. Wars brought both tragedy and progress. Innovation and invention never stopped. Electricity lit the world. Transportation connected distant lands. People began exploring the skies. The modern era arrived, full of wonder and danger. Science unlocked secrets of atoms and stars. Medicine saved millions and changed life expectancy. Communication shrank the world. Television and radio spread culture everywhere. Music and art flourished globally. Space became humanity's next frontier. Computers and the internet connected billions. Social movements reshaped societies. Globalization brought both opportunity and challenge. Technology accelerated faster than ever before. AI and robotics started changing daily life. Climate change became a global concern. Renewable energy rose as a solution. Humans began exploring Mars and beyond. Virtual worlds and digital reality emerged. Education and knowledge became accessible globally. Cities became futuristic and interconnected. Transportation reached unbelievable speeds. Medical advancements extended human life. Human imagination shaped art, movies, and culture. Global events affected everyone's life. Communication became instant and universal. Scientific discovery moved faster than ever. Space tourism became a reality. Virtual education and AI tutors emerged. Human culture blended globally. Extreme sports and adventures amazed the world. Digital art and NFTs became popular. Robotics and AI transformed industry. Electric vehicles reshaped transportation. Renewable energy became mainstream. Artificial intelligence began solving global problems. Virtual reality created new worlds to explore. Humanity reached the moon, Mars, and beyond. Earth faced climate crises and challenges. Humans sought solutions through technology and science. Global collaboration became essential. The internet and social media connected billions. Digital currencies and blockchain reshaped finance. Exploration continued beyond our solar system. Humanity celebrated creativity and imagination. The story continues as the future unfolds.